The mystery of turmeric, from microscopes to superpowers. We've all seen it, at the market, in our mother's kitchen, or perhaps growing in our yard. A simple, brown rhizome, not particularly appealing, but beneath its rough skin hides an extraordinary world. It's amazing, a truly beautiful view under the microscope. It looks like orange seeds are visible among the bright, shiny yellow, and there's a network of nerves forming that leads to these orange seeds. If you look closely, besides the orange seeds, you'll also see many small, golden yellow sacs. The beauty of this turmeric is truly breathtaking. A world of dazzling colors, intricate structures, and powers that have been kept secret for thousands of years. This is a story about turmeric, but not the one you might think. This is a microscopic journey to discover why this humble spice is one of the greatest natural medicines known to man. Let's begin our journey. First, let's take a closer look. After peeling and splitting it, we see something surprising. The turmeric flesh isn't uniform in color. It has gradations. There's a bright yellow area at the edge and a deeper, more intense orange area at the heart. Why? What do these two colors mean? It's not a mistake of nature. The orange center is the center of highest metabolic activity. It's where the concentration of a magical compound called curcuminoids peaks. Curcuminoids are the molecules that give turmeric its color and are its chemical weapons. The yellow edges also contain it, but in varying degrees. Like a city, the center is its industrial center, while the outskirts are its buffer zone. This color difference represents a map of the turmeric's concentration. Now, imagine shrinking ourselves down to the size of a speck of dust and walking through this turmeric-like tissue. This is what we would see under a microscope, a vibrant landscape. Our first question is answered here. Look, there are billions of tiny, bright orange spheres, scattered like jewels amidst the tissue. What exactly are these magic spheres? These are specialized parenchymal cells filled with essential oils and curcuminoids. Think of them as nanofactories and secret storage warehouses. This is where turmeric produces and stores its most valuable active compounds. Each of these tiny spheres is a tiny pouch filled with curcumin, the compound that gives the plant its golden orange color and many of its health benefits. Its function in the plant as a defense against fungi, bacteria, and insects. For us, this is the source of power. But wait, how do these tiny factories work? They don't stand alone. They're connected by a very complex transport network, a network similar to the nervous system or blood vessels. The nervous system is the vascular tissue of plants, namely xylem and phloem. Xylem functions like a giant underground water pipe, transporting water and minerals from the roots to every corner of the plant. As you can see, the color is starting to darken, which is a sign of decay due to prolonged storage or prolonged exposure to sunlight. Let's move on to the phloem. Phloem is the nutrient distribution pathway, transporting sugars produced by photosynthesis from the leaves to all parts that need them, including the orange factories. This network acts as a toll road, highway for raw material supply and product distribution. Without them, the orange factories would cease to exist. They are the circulatory system that ensures the chemical magic of turmeric continues. Its functions are diverse, such as storing water to keep cells firm and fresh, temporarily storing waste substances, and even storing several other compounds, such as organic acids or pigments. In the context of turmeric, these large vacuoles may play a role in maintaining fluid balance and storing starch, working in conjunction with the orange factory to create an optimal cellular environment for curcuminoid production. Now, let's step outside the microcosm for a moment. Let's return to real-life experience. Why is the yellow-orange color so persistent and difficult to remove from your hands after handling turmeric? The answer lies in the molecular properties of curcumin from those orange plants. Curcumin is a highly stable and highly affine polyphenol pigment. It is more soluble in fat than in water. Our skin has a natural layer of oils and proteins. When curcumin comes into contact with the skin, it easily grabs and binds to these fats and proteins, creating persistent blemishes. This is clear evidence of the power of the natural coloring produced by the microscopic structure of turmeric. You need soap that is able to emulsify fats or even certain oils to release these bonds. It's designed to survive. So, what exactly is inside this turmeric pulp? It's not just water and color. It's a dense cocktail of nutrients and bioactive compounds. The star is curcuminoids. Curcuminoids, especially curcumin, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse, are present. Essential oils like turmerone and zingiberine, which impart a distinctive aroma and also possess biological activity. Vitamins such as vitamin C, antioxidant, and vitamin B6 for metabolism, and essential minerals such as potassium for the heart, manganese for bones and enzymes, iron for blood, and magnesium. They also contain fiber and starch. But how do all these ingredients benefit our bodies? Let's take a look at its first miracle, the inflammation soothe. Curcumin blocks the NF-κB molecule, which is like a master switch for inflammation within cells. It is of great benefit for conditions such as arthritis, muscle pain, and even intestinal inflammation. The second is a free radical scavenger whose unique chemical structure makes it a reliable electron donor, neutralizing free radicals that cause aging and cell damage. The third is brain protection. Curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone for the brain, which is linked to improved memory and slowed cognitive decline. The fourth is being a heart friend, where it improves endothelial function, blood vessel lining, reduces the risk of blood clots, and reduces the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol. What other secrets are hidden behind the common spices around us? Perhaps ginger, galangal, or sarsop leaves hold equally fascinating microscopic stories. Let us know in comments below. If you found this science adventure eye-opening, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thanks for exploring along, and stay curious.